Now is the wind of our discontent made glorious summer by this sun of York. And all the clouds that lowered upon our house in the deep bosom of the ocean bay. Now are our brows bound with victorious wreaths, our bruised arms hung up for monuments, our sterner letters changed to merry meetings, our dreadful marches to delightful pleasures. Grim British war had smoothed its rainbow front, and now, instead of mounting barbed steeds to fright the souls of fearful adversaries, he capered nimbly in a lady's chamber, to the lascivious pleading of the news. But I, that am not shaped for sportive tricks, nor made for court and amorous looking glass, I, that am curtailed of this fair proportion, cheated of feature by dissembling nature, deformed, unfinished, sent before my time into this breathing world, scarce half made up, and that so lamely and unfashionable that dogs bark at me as I halt by them. Why, love forswore me in my mother's womb, and for I should but deal in her soft laws, she did corrupt frail nature with some bribe to shrink mine arm up like a withered shrub, to heap an envious mountain on my back, to shape my legs of an unequal size, to disproportion me in every part, like to a chaos, or an unlinked bare wealth that carries no impression like the dam. Why I, in this weak, fighting time of peace, have no delight to pass away the time, unless to spy my shadow in the sun, and descant on my own deformity. Then, since this earth affords no joy to me, but to command, to check, to overbear such as are of better persons than myself, I meant by heaven to dream upon the ground, and once I lived to count this world but hell, until my misshaped trunk which bears this head be round imbedded with a glorious crown. But yet I know not how to get the crown, for many lives tend between me and home, and I, like one lost in a thorny wood, that rends the thorns and is rent with the thorns, seeking a way and straying from the way, not knowing how to fight the open air, but toiling desperately to find it out, torment myself to catch the English crowd, and from this torment I will free myself, or hew my way out with a bloody axe. I can smile, and murder quite a smile, and try content to that which grieves my heart, and wet my cheeks with artificial tears, and frame my face to all occasions. I'll drown more sailors than the mermaid shell. I'll play the orator as well as Nestor, deceive more slyly than Ulysses could, and like a Simon, taken out of Troy, I can add colours to the chameleon, change shapes with Proteus for advantages, and send the murderous Machiavel to school. Can I do that, and cannot get the crown? Were it farther off, I'll love it.